This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac because you need a visual of drives immediately. Once done, look at the left pane to spot local drives, external disks, and network locations. This tells you where storage lives. Then open Settings, select System and Storage to get a usage overview. Make sure to note drive letters and labels. That helps when you move to cleaning or analysis steps in the next slide. You now analyze what's using space. Click a drive in Storage Settings to see categories like Apps, System, Temporary Files, and Documents. Once you open the drive, examine the largest folders, sort by size in File Explorer or use Finder's Get Info. If needed, run disk cleanup on Windows or use built-in tools on Mac to target temp files. For a clearer map, consider a folder size analyzer. This shows where big files hide, so you can act confidently in the final step. You finish by removing or archiving the large files you identified. Move photos and videos to an external drive or cloud, uninstall unused apps, and empty the recycle bin or trash. Once done, rerun the storage overview to confirm space cleared and make sure free space matches expectations. If something goes wrong, verify file permissions, then run chkdsk on Windows or First Aid in Disk Utility on Mac to repair drive errors. This resolves many cases where space won't update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.